Welcome to Insia, self-learning business analytics platform built for enterprises to provide simple and intuitive access to intelligent insights. In this demo, we are an athletic footwear and apparel brand such as Nike, Adidas, and we want to understand how our sales is performing. Upon logging in, we get to see list of actionable, proactive insights sent to us. All these insights are personalized to a specific business user through feedback loop and role-based access control. Here we see that retailer name 550, the sales has reduced by 80% as compared to previous month. We want to find out whether there is a trend to it or this is an aberration. We do sales by month for retailer name 550. We see that the sales has been fluctuating for this particular retailer, but in last 2-3 months, it has been on downward trend. We want to know which particular SKU is causing this. We do by SKU name and we type in last 4 months as we want to focus only on that time period. We see that the sales for Nike men's training shoes has come to almost zero. You might want to see that especially this SKU, how it is performing across geographies. So we type and then we do by city. Here we see that Mumbai, it has been on downward trend, whereas Nasik has more or less held its ground. While Insight gives you the best fit visualization, you have the option to select from more than 30-35 different visualizations and see the data the way you want. Moreover, the AI engine of the INSEA automatically recommends the next best cut. So here you can see by distributor name, and by doing further analysis on this, we see the same situation that Mumbai, the sales has gone low. So we might want to check with our executives in Mumbai. Also, you have the option to download the data in the way you want. You can add all these charts to create your own custom report just by simply typing the name of the new report, or you can add the chart to an existing report. Also, creating any custom dashboard is a child's play with INSEA because here you can rearrange, resize, add comments, download as PDF, or even share with anyone on a click of a button. The further analysis and finding the root cause has also become super easy with INSEA. Say for example, we want to know how is the sales by SKU name. And we see that the sales for graphic crew sock is very low. So we can drill it and find out that why it is low across any of the other categorical variables that are there in the data. So you're not restricted, or you can even go ahead and simply ask the platform to create an automated report for this. So you just do a right click on i360, and the AI engine of INSEA would create an ad hoc report for you telling the why behind the data, why it is happening, right? So you can just go here, i360, and do this. And just in seconds, the platform has done a time series analysis, an outlier analysis, and a detailed analysis across all the data points and given you insights not only in the form of chart but also in natural language. Moreover, you can provide feedback so that the platform can learn and give you better and more personalized insights with time. So using the power of AI or search, you can directly ask questions and do your own analysis without requiring any technical know-how. Moreover, you can get all insights in all intelligent insights on your mobile phone and can always be on top of your business anywhere all the time. That is the power of INSEA, Insights for All. Thank you.